Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Logitech G915 TKL, and in this video I am going to show you how to plug this keyboard to computer. Alright, so to do this we have to just find the adapter so we can plug this wireless keyboard to our computer, and this little thing is right here, as you can see here. So you have to just pull it off, and now we have to just plug this to our computer, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.